y'all, my babies? It's your girl Secrets coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell another friend, tell somebody else, to tell a family member, because we is litty over here. So without further ado, y'all, I do have an unboxing. We got something from AliExpress, and y'all, I heard y'all want to see me open it. It's closed. It's closed. So hold on, I'm gonna see if I can get up in here. Yeah, my arm's tired. I'm sorry. So let's see what's up in here. Ooh, this is pretty. So y'all, dun 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 dun. So I got this purse because y'all know Marc Jacobs got me in the choke. Oh, just get over here. Marc Jacobs, the tote bag, got me in the chokehold. I don't know if this video might come up before or after, but y'all, I got 2 tote bags, and I'm just like, I love it. And before, when I had first started my Marc Jacobs tote journey, I tried to get the lilac. I tried to get it twice. Both times, the order got canceled, the other one just in shipping time. So both times I got my money back, but I'm just like, okay. I see y'all got the, what is it, the bucket bag. And when I seen the bucket bag, I said, who that? Who is that? Now I know the real one. Basically the letters are like embedded, and it would be like the same color but just a little darker. But y'all know I do not care. I don't care. And I wanted a lilac purple bag. For those of you who don't know, if you watch my 30 for 30, purple is one of my favorite colors, so I definitely had to get this. So y'all, hold on, let's open it up a little bit. So this is the bucket. It's supposed to say bucket bag. The bucket. Is it supposed to have a bucket bag? I'll be right back, because I need to know. When I need to know stuff, I need to know it now. Hold that thought. Alright, y'all, I'm back. I'm sitting down in my thinking chair and think. Let me go on Google, because right now I'm having a brain fart. And hold on, y'all. Hold on, what is it supposed to look like? Come on, internet, don't trip. Okay, so it does say the bucket. I don't know why I thought it said the bucket bag, because I was gonna be like, whew, that's not a good dupe. So back to it. So yes, it does say bucket, the real one, but it has the color embedded. It wouldn't be this color. But me, y'all know, I don't give a care. So here we go. We have gold hardware for the drawstring, also up here, and on the strap, because you can carry it like this, because it's like a bucket bag, little bucket. And it says the bucket, Marc Jacobs. And back here it says the Marc Jacobs style tote bag, location NYC, year 1984. Then inside the bag, it's stuffed with brown tissue paper. It's tissue paper. It also comes with its own strap. Y'all know me, I'm a thick gal, and this is on the last hole. And y'all, this is not going anywhere on me, so I'm gonna have to get probably 2. Yeah, put one on each. Y'all know the extender straps that I always purchase from Amazon to, you know, wear it as a crossbody, or y'all know me, I might get a different color strap. But that's this, the back, flat bottom, and the inside just says the Marc Jacobs. Right, the Marc Jacobs, And there's no pockets or anything in this bag. Nothing at all. No pockets. Yeah, there's no pockets. But this is a pretty decent size. I thought this was so cute. Y'all know me, even though Marc Jacobs is very reasonable, it's up there with like your Coach, your Kate Spade, your Tory Burch. I still don't want to pay that amount. Call me cheap, cheapy, say what you want. But I still just feel like if I can get it cheaper or get something that resembles it, that's my business. My business. Y'all know, unfortunately with AliExpress, I cannot link the stuff down below. But we're just going to use our words. So what are your words? Just put in the tote bag. You're going to have to do your research. When I tell everybody AliExpress is like a rabbit hole, once you're in there, you're just looking here, looking there. It's just like your attention is everywhere. So you're just going to have to search tote bag, and the original tote bag will come up. And this one, you got to do your homework, y'all. So don't be like, well, Rear told me. No, Rear told you to do your homework. Look at the reviews. Contact the seller and say, hey, can you send me photos, or I need to know, does it have the logo, this, that, whatsoever. Because some of them just have this. It just says the bucket, nothing else. And then some of them have this. So just do your homework. Y'all, this is my unboxing. So cute. Thumbnail. All right. But yeah, y'all, this is my unboxing of the lilac. I can add this to my collection. It's so pretty. I needed a purple purse, and let's just see how it looks like a bucket. See, I would have to get, I got a circular insert, but it's cute, y'all. Cute, with probably a nice little purse charm, nothing too fancy or too big, seeing that this purse is already small. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.